community which is home to more than 50 million developers. Yes, you heard it right. I'm talking about GitHub, which has now more than 50 million developers who are actively contributing, sharing, and learning on this platform. I must tell you that this platform is now not only being used by developers but also employers. So maybe a recruiter like me or a developer or maybe a hiring manager like me will call a candidate to come on GitHub and complete a code. So there are a lot of employers, startups, they're using GitHub as a interview platform as well, where they try to assess technical skills of developers. That tells us that there is so much happening within the community. So it's happening end to end. So there are people who are there to learn, share, and grow. And then there are people who are there to tap this talent. But I also want to tell you, friends, that sourcing on GitHub is not that easy as well. And a lot of people who come to me that why sourcing on GitHub is complicated, why it's a little difficult. I want to tell you that you need to understand GitHub really well if you really want to source inside the GitHub, because these communities are not developed for recruiters. These are not developed to make our life easier. They are primarily developed for technical folks to run their codes, to share what they are doing, to share their projects. And in GitHub, these projects are being called as a repository. So let's explore GitHub and let's see what all we can do. Before we go ahead, I also want to tell you an important thing, that one of the best thing I like about GitHub is it provides us email address of almost everybody on the platforms. So that clearly tells me that when there are 50 million developers across the world, that clearly means that GitHubs allow me to contact these 15 million developers as a recruiter right away. And I think that's a great advantage over so many other platforms where getting email ID or contact number is something that we need to do something extra to get it. But here we can get it right away. How are we going to do it? Let's look at it now. So here we are at GitHub. As you can see that GitHub is a place where the world builds software. It means developers, they come, they share, they learn, they grow together. So coming to GitHub, I want you to create a login. So I would always suggest you to create your, it's free of cost. You create your login here. And once you go inside, once you sign into the GitHub, this is where you will come. So I would always suggest you, before you actually go ahead in this session, I want you to pause this video, create a login on GitHub, log into GitHub, and then restart this video. So I hope by now you have created your login ID on GitHub and you are here with me to explore what all you can do on GitHub and how you can find talent and how you can also find the contact details of the profile out there on GitHub. So how we're going to do it is, as I said, that it's a little complicated also when we're trying to find people on GitHub because of the kind of structure it is. And the first complication is that we have learned X-ray search, and we have learned how we can find people on GitHub using X-ray, or not just GitHub but anywhere else using X-ray search. But can we do it on GitHub? So let's try to do that. So let's say if I create a Boolean string or run an X-ray search on GitHub, site github.com, and let's say I'm looking for people in Python and to be based out in maybe New York. Let's see what we'll get on GitHub. Let's look at that. So are you getting individual talent? Because right from the beginning, I'm emphasizing on the fact that as a recruiter, we need to find profile on any of the social platform, because we just can't, because social media platform are not made for recruiters, right? So they're not made to make your life easy. The target audience are always different. So like in case of GitHub, the target audience are developers. And as you can see, by running the X-ray search, I'm getting the results, but these results are not very specific to what I am looking at. I'm looking for individuals which are not here. So I would always recommend you, when you are trying to find talent on GitHub, there's no point going through X-ray search. I would always suggest you to do it. Good to see that you are now investing your time in learning skills which matters. I'm sure you now know that these are future ready skills and they will gonna take your career to the next level. I'm sorry, I'm not here to interrupt your learning session, but I want to add more value. I'm here to help. I have created more than 30 such sessions as a part of an advanced workshop on social media recruitment. And I would really be happy that you come and join my community. And I've created this community with more than 2,500 recruiters. I have more than 1,000 members. So members are the one who have joined the full program where they can have an access to all the 35 sessions that I have created. You can also attend these sessions. The enrollment link is available in the description and the comment box. You can go there, you can avail a discount available on Udemy, and you can join this session. Apart from that, you can also join my WhatsApp groups. Again, the invite link is available in the comment section and in the description box. And once you become a part of that group or you join the Udemy program, you can become a member. I also do live workshops every fortnight for my members where they can attend such programs online and they can come back live with me and they can ask their questions if they have any query or if they are facing any challenge in their day-to-day life as a recruiter. So I welcome you again in my community and recommend you to attend the full program and join me in live workshop.